Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, you see the Nike swoosh. You see the brown box. Off-white branding along the side. Y'all already know what it is, man. So, we just gonna get into it, man. On the inside of the box, you see you got the orange Nike branding. You got your off-white paper. But enough of that, man. Let's get straight to the get down, man. Here it is. The off-white Nike Air Presto collabo. All black, few hits of white, few hits of cone. Other than that, it's a win for me, man. Now on the media side, you see your off-white branding. You see your black strap at the back. Here it is on the back. On the outside of that strap, you got the Air. I mean, to me, man, it's a dope shoe. Now, I'm not a fan, particularly, of the Prestos. Now, you can see the all-black sole on the bottom. There's a look at the toe box from the top. Off-white branding on the insole. I mean, man, it's dope to me, man. You see the black laces right there. I mean, ain't really too much that I could say about it, man. Like I say, man, I'm not really a fan of the Prestos, man. You know, you can see you got like this fly knit material. You got your off-white little cone tab. You know, but like I say, man, it's Prestos. I mean, I don't know. But to each his own, man. But this particular pair, man, I'm rocking with it because it's black. And I fucks with the dark colors, you know what I'm saying? Now looking at the tongue, you got like this double tongue. I'm not too familiar with the language with this shoe, you know, but you see you got the little circle with the Nike check on it. Here's the black off-white laces with the shoelaces wrote on them. It comes with another pair, orange pair, with the shoelaces written in white. You know what I'm saying? That's a nice little touch. You know, but other than that, man, I mean, it is what it is, man. It ain't really too much to really get into, man. Y'all already familiar with them. Y'all done seen them and everything, you know what I'm saying? So, don't make sense for me to just drag on and wear y'all ears out, man. But I'm feeling the little mesh lining on the inside, man, the sock line or whatever you call it, man. Overall, to me, man, I think it's a dope little shoe, man. But to each his own, man. You know, here's a look at the other shoe. It's identical. Only thing missing is the off-white hang tag or whatever you call it, the orange hang tag. But other than that, man, everything is the same. Pretty dope shoe. Nice stealth look. That black Darth Vader, whatever you want to call it. It is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think about them, man. You feeling them? You're not? Not a fan of these? I feel you on all that, man. You know what I'm saying? So that was my look at the off-white Nike Air Presto collabo. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Subscribe to the channel, man, because we about to turn up a little bit. Got a lot of videos coming, and I'ma holler back.